Hello everyone. So this week we're going to be exploring a database called Archives Unbound. Now this database has two collections in it in particular. It has one that's titled The Federal Response to Radicalism in the 60s and Federal Surveillance of African Americans from 1920 to 1984. So essentially most of the documents in this collection are from a FBI counterintelligence program called COINTELPRO. This program was active from 56 to 1971, and essentially the whole idea was to discredit and neutralize organizations that were considered to be subversive to U.S. political stability or U.S. social status quo. Okay, so let's explore the federal response to radicalism in the 60s. So there's a lot to do here. You can obviously advanced search or regular search. You can also view the documents in a specific collection or explore and search within the collection, right? So I have Fred Hampton queued up here. So let's do that. Alright, so let's say you were searching for Hampton, right? These are some of the cool things about this database. So you can kind of have a keyword preview here, so you don't even have to kind of explore the document. You can just see where specifically they mention Fred Hampton, right? So they talk about Hampton's murder in Chicago. Yeah, that is a really good feature because you kind of don't have to scroll through or look. So there are some other tools that I'd also like to explore, in particular the topic finder and term frequency. So term frequency is great because it kind of gives you a sense of when a specific subject was kind of talked about or mentioned in these reports. So let's change the year here from 1968 to 1960, and over here we'll put 1970. Let's look for I guess let's look for things about Malcolm. Right. So as you can see here, we have kind of a spread of the number of documents that were mentioned by year. So if we go back, we can also look at the topic finder. So yeah, with the topic finder, we can give a little search here. Let's search for Hampton again. Right, and now you have two sorts of visualization, right? You have kind of the tiles and a wheel, right? So you could look at these various titles, and they all seem very interesting, particularly this one. So yeah, so I mean, there's a whole kind of record of just COINTELPRO writing about black nationalist hate groups, and obviously there are various sections, so in terms of research, this is really, really good stuff, and it's all primary source. So let's take a look at one of these sections and kind of explore what's in there. So when you click on a document, the search terms are already there, so the name Fred Hampton will be on either of these pages. So let's click on 170. So this one discusses an anonymous letter attacking Fred, or proposing to attack Fred Hampton, but at this time he had already been shot and killed by the Chicago police, so no further action is being taken in regard to your proposal. I mean, yeah, this is direct from the FBI, and there's even like some redacted stuff here too, so amazing sources in this database. But like I said, I think you need to kind of have an idea of what you're searching for when it comes to using this database. It's not something that is user-friendly or really easily accessible. You kind of have to have an idea of what exactly it is you're searching for or who you're searching for. And that, my friends, concludes this database of the week.